student, now you know formulas of Laplace transformation. Okay, and now we are going to solve problem in this video. Now first of all, again I am getting this sum, that is the Laplace transformation of 1, that is 1 by s. Okay, then Laplace transformation of e raised to a t, that is what 1 upon s minus a. Then Laplace transformation of sine means a upon s square plus a square. Then cos of at is a upon s square plus a square. Then Laplace transformation of sine hyperbolic h at, that is sine means a and hyperbolic means s square upon a square. We have proved it actually. Cos hyperbolic at, that is what s upon s square minus a. And one more formula that is important, that is t raised to n equal to what? N factorial upon s raised to n plus 1 if n is positive integer. Okay, otherwise you can write like this, n plus 1 upon s raised to n plus 1. Now we are solving problem. Also we know one linear property, that Laplace transformation of a into f of t plus b into g of t, that is what? Constant we can take outside and addition subtraction that we can separate. That is the meaning of this linear property, means a outside plus b into Laplace transformation of this. Okay, now take one by one problems. Some problems. 1 by 4t, find Laplace transformation. Question is what? Find Laplace transformation of, now following functions are given. 1 by 4t minus 1 by 3 sin t plus 1 by 4 24 sin 2t. Okay, actually I am using which book? But okay, 1 upon sin 2t. Now find Laplace transformation of this. I am going to write here. Now very simple formulas are there, you have to write only. Nothing you have to do, only use formula. Sin t, functions of t we are converting into functions of s. Now I am going to use linear property, that means 1 by 4 outside, Laplace transformation of t, minus 1 by 3 outside, Laplace transformation of sin t, plus 1 by 24 outside, Laplace transformation of sin 2t. Okay, now you know nothing, you have to only use formulae. You know L of t. What is t? T means what? T raised to n. This here is the power 1. Here is the power 1. What is the formula? 1 factorial upon, I am writing whole formula, s raised to 1 plus 1. Because this is the first sum, that's why I am writing. Now 1 by 3. Sin t. T means what? Here a is 1. Here a is 1. That means what? A upon means 1 upon s square plus a square means what? 1 square. Okay, 1 upon 24 sin 2t means what is the formula for sine? Means a. Upon a means in numerator a. Now here is a 2t means in numerator it is a 2. See here, a upon means what? Here 2 s square upon plus what? A square means 2 square. A upon s square plus a square. What is a here? Here a is 2. Okay, here is a is 2, that is 2 upon s square plus 2 square. Now that is 1 by 4. 1 factorial means 1 upon s square minus 1 by 3 into 1 upon s square plus 1. Okay, and plus, now this will get cancelled and 1 upon, here is 12 and 1 up into 1 upon s square. Very simple. And it means I think it should be clear, because I have done nothing. Formulas are written on the board. Use only this formula. Okay. Now here linear property I have used. Take constant outside and Laplace transformation of t, Laplace transformation of sin t, sin 2t. Sin means in numerator a, and if cos is there, in numerator there will be s. Okay, cos is there, in numerator there will be s. and if hyperbolic, in numerator, in denominator there is a square minus a square, and in simple trigonometric, in denominator s square plus a square, s square plus a square, as sin a cos s, and for simple trigonometric s square plus a square minus a square is this. Okay, here n factorial means if n is a positive, otherwise use this gamma notation. Okay, now write next. You can copy this. Now next t square plus 1 whole square, t square plus 1. Now means there is no composite rule or like that, because Laplace transformation is integration only, and we have here written some direct conclusion. Okay, now we have to simplify this function because it is not for composite function. That's why it is a square. Hence, I am going to square this bracket, that is t raised to 4 a square 2ab, that is 2t square plus b square means 1. Again use rule t raised to 4, 2 into Laplace transformation of t square, Laplace transformation of 1. Okay, now t raised to 4 positive integer, powers are positive integer. Mean t raised to 4 means what? 4 factorial upon s raised to 4 plus 1, now 5. Now I am going to write directly, you know now formula, n factorial upon s raised to n plus 1, and t square means what? 2 is a positive integer, 2 factorial upon s raised to 2 plus 1, that is a 3, and 1 is what? 1 by s. Okay, that is the 4 factorial means 4 into 3 into 2, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, s raised to 5. 2 factor means 2 into 1 upon s cube, and this is a 1 by s, that is a 4 3s are 12 2s are 24 upon s raised to 5 plus what? 4 upon s cube and plus 1 by s. That is it. Very simple. Okay, now we will find Laplace transformation. If you want to write, you can take note. Now we have to find sine square, cos square, sine square, cos cube, because these are composite function. That means we have to convert it in terms of simple function, and that's why you must know some trigonometric result. Now for some trigonometric result, I am writing here 1 minus cos, 1 minus cos theta 2 sine square theta by 2. Okay, these are the 1 plus cos theta 2 cos square theta by 2. Okay, I think write this, or now according to situation I will write. Now these are the two formulae, 1 minus cos 2 sine square. Now you have to convert this sine square theta in terms of sine square t in terms of this formula. Okay, now sine square t means what? 1 minus cos 2t upon 2. If there is a 2 theta, here is a theta. If there is a 2 theta, here is a theta. Okay, means which formula I have used? You have used in 11, 12, FY, in all classes. What is the formula? 1 minus cos theta or 2 theta. 2 theta means 2 sine square theta. Okay, here I have used it. That means sine square theta is 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 2. Now take outside 1 by 2, Laplace transformation of 1 minus cos 2t, linear property. That means 1 half into 1 half is multiplied to this whole function. That is Laplace transformation of 1 minus Laplace transformation of cos 2t. Now 1 Laplace transformation of 1 is 1 by s minus Laplace transform cos means s. Okay, सोचने की जरूरत नहीं, cos means s. But if there is a sign a will come in numerator. That means you have to observe in terms of sign. When there is a sign, you have to observe which is a, because a comes here for sign, whether it is hyperbolic or circular. But in terms of this simple means cos, it definitely in numerator there is a s. Now it is a simple trigonometry. That means s square plus a square. A square means 2 square. Okay, a means 2 here. that is 1 by 2. Simplification is not necessary. Only Laplace transformations are expected from you. If you want, you can simplify it, but that is not a part of our syllabus. Actually, we have to find Laplace transformation. After finding Laplace transformation, that is depend on you whether you simplify it or not. Not necessary. I will say not necessary. Only you have to find Laplace transformation. Simply after finding this, it is not necessary to simplify this. Means this much answer is also correct. Okay. Now, if somebody want to simplify and he has time, then he can simplify this minus this. खाली समय में कर सकते, टाइम पास बोलते उसे. Now sin square. Now find Laplace transformation of cos square. Cos square के लिए again what is the formula? 1 plus cos 2t, that is the 2 cos square t. 2 cos square t. Again I am writing here. That means Laplace transformation of cos square t, because it is a composite now, converted to simple function. 1 minus cos t means 2 sin square t, 1 plus cos t means 2 cos square t. You have used it many times. Now this 1 plus cos t means cos square t means what? 1 plus cos 2t upon 2. Okay, 1 plus cos 2t upon 2. Minus means sin square, plus means cos square. Okay. Now this again 1 by 2 is outside this, and Laplace transformation of 1 plus Laplace transformation of cos 2t. Same sum. Only here plus sign is there. In terms of sin square, it is a minus sign. Okay, L of 1 is a 1 by s. Plus cos means there is a s in numerator, and s square plus y, because it is a simple function. If it is a hyperbolic, then s square minus a square. S square plus 2 square. Now I am writing directly. Okay, that is the answer. Sin square, cos square. Now sin cube, cos cube also we can find. Now we can find sin cube and cos cube also. Now right, next Laplace transformation of sin cube. Now again you have to convert this function in terms of simple function, because it is a composite function. We can find only sin, cos, sin hyperbolic, cos hyperbolic, only this much formula you know, and we can solve problem with the help of only this formula. Means convert this sin cube, because there is no formula for sin cube. Means you have to simplify sin cube, or you have to convert sin cube in simple trigonometric function, and that's why you must know formula for sin 3 theta. What is the formula for sin 3 theta? That is the 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Okay, that means sin 3t is what? 3 sin t minus 4 sin cube t. I am writing here specially. Now from this we can find the value of sin cube t in simple function. That is 4 sin cube t is what? This is a minus. Transfer here. 3 sin t. Okay, minus sin 3t. That is the formula for sin cube. Sin cube means it is into 4, means upon 4, upon 3 sin t minus sin 3t upon 4. Upon 4 is a means common, therefore it is 1 by 4. Now this formula you must know. If you don't know, write this formula for sin 3 theta, and if there is a cos 3 theta, again that will be 4 cos cube minus 3 cos. Means instead of sin there will be all cos, and it will be 4 cos cube minus, means this minus and plus sign will interchange. This will minus, this will plus. Okay. Now sin cube, therefore Laplace transformation of sin cube t means what? Laplace transformation of 1 by 4 3 sin t minus sin 3t. Sin t minus sin 3t. That is a 1 by 4. That is a 1 by 4 outside this. 1 by 4 outside, and Laplace transformation of 3 sin t minus this sin 3t. Okay. It means I hope that there is no doubt, because I have only written a formula for sin 3t, and from that what is the meaning of sin cube t? This is the meaning of sin cube t. Okay. Now therefore it is equal to 1 by 4 outside, and Laplace 3 into Laplace transformation of sin t. Again 3 is a constant, that is a sin 3t, and minus Laplace transformation of what? Sin 3t. Okay. Now therefore, now it is a very simple. You have to use only formulas, this 5 or 6 formulae which are written in on board. that is a 3 into sine means in numerator there will be a. What is a here? 80, a is 3, 80 means a is 3 upon s square plus a square plus y, because it is a simple trigonometric function. If it is a hyperbolic, then it is a minus. Now s square plus a square means 3 square, okay, minus this is again a, okay, sine, sorry, it is a sine t, okay, Laplace sine t, okay, sorry, this is a sine t means what? 1 upon s square plus 1 square, okay. Here is sine t only, not 3t, okay. Here a is what? Here a is what? 3 upon s square plus 3 square, that is a 9. Any doubt? Here is a 3 sine t only, not 3t, okay. That is the formula, sine t minus sine 3t, 3 sine t minus, and therefore answer is what? 1 by 4, that is a common, 3 upon s square plus 1 minus 3 upon s square plus 9, okay. Now write again another formula, from your book actually. Sin 2t minus cos 2t whole square, sin 2t minus cos 2t whole square. You have to find Laplace transformation of this, okay, Laplace transformation of this. Now again I am repeating that we know only this much formulae, and with the help of this formulae only we have to solve all the problems given your book. Some rules are there, I will explain later, but now you have to convert this function into simple function. Now as there is a square, what we can do? Only square it, a minus b whole square, a square plus b square sin square 2t plus cos square 2t, a square plus b square minus 2ab 2 sin 2t cos 2t, okay. That means L of only simplifying sin square 2t plus cos square 2t, that is a 1, sin square theta cos square theta 1, and 2 sin theta cos theta, that is the formula for sin 2 theta. That means it will be sin of theta means what? Here is 2t, and again this is a 2 into 2t, okay. I am writing a reason, sin square theta, तुम लोग भूल गए होंगे शायद, इसीलिए 2 sin theta cos theta, that is a sin 2 theta. Again I am repeating, if you follow me it will better. Sin square cos square 1, okay, 2 sin theta cos theta, that is a sin 2 theta, and that means here is a 1 and 2 sin theta cos theta, sin 2 theta means Laplace transformation of 1 minus sin 4 theta, means 4t is there. Instead of theta we are converting this function of t in terms of s, therefore these are all functions of x. Now linear property, separate one and linear transformation of sin 4t. What is linear transformation of 1? That is 1 by s. Now what is the linear transformation of sin 80? As sin is there is a in the numerator, means 4 upon in denominator s square plus y, it is a simple trigonometric. If there is a hyperbolic then it will be minus s square plus a square means what? 4 square, that is a 16. This is answer, okay. Very simple. That means if you have given any problems on Laplace transformation, we have to convert the given function in terms of this much functions, that is e raised to 1 sin cos sin hyperbolic cos hyperbolic t raised to n only, and then you can find with the help of linear property. Linear property means addition, subtraction we can separate, and constant we can take outside this, okay. Now sometimes you have to use definition, means question in your book, or this question can be asked that find Laplace transformation with the help of what? Definition. Now for that you must know definition, that Laplace transformation of f of t is what? 0 to infinity, okay. Okay, you know it. If there is a problem on it, that you have to find this, okay. Write one problem actually. Find Laplace transformation by definition. I am taking one problem from your book. That is a by definition also we can find if this formula is means problem is not based on this, or where when there is a special instruction that find Laplace transformation by definition, then we must know definition. And now function is given, that is f of t equal to a for 0 less than t less than b, okay, and equal to 0 or t greater. This is a function t greater than b. Now read this function carefully. You have to find Laplace transformation of this. Okay. Now Laplace transformation of f of t, I am repeating here. What is the definition? 0 to infinity e raised to minus st into f of t dt. Okay. Now you have to find Laplace transformation of this whole function. Now function, you have to read this function. You have to read this function means 0 to b. 0 to b definition is different, that is a, and when 0 to b, and when t is greater than b means here after b it is what 0 means 0 to कहाँ तक, infinity तक, infinity greater than b means there is no limit, b से greater means this function is like this, a 0 to b to infinity. Actually our definition is what, 0 to infinity. What I am going to tell you that definition is from 0 to infinity, 0 से लेके infinity तक इंटीग्रेशन निकाल रहे, लेकिन फंक्शन को डिवाइड किया हुआ है. कैसे डिवाइड किया है? तो 0 to b तक डिफरेंट डेफिनेशन है, दैट इज a. लेकिन व्हेन b इज ग्रेटर देन मींस t इज ग्रेटर देन b, ग्रेटर देन मींस इंफिनिटी तक, तो 0 है. तो इसीलिए आई एम गोइंग टू नाउ राइट, नाउ आई एम रबिंग दिस, you know now. I hope that you have grasped this. Okay. Now here function is like this, 0 to infinity means Laplace transformation of f of t. Again I am writing that is a 0 to infinity e raised to minus st into f of t. Now what about f of t? The f of t is divided into interval. f of t is like this, 0 से लेके b तक a है, b से लेके infinity तक means up to infinity 0 है. That means we are going to split 0 to b तक एक इंटरवल हो गया, that is the value of plus okay e raised to minus st 0 से लेके b तक, okay, f of t I am splitting this plus 0 b से लेके infinity तक, b से लेके infinity तक e raised to minus st f t. Any doubt? See here limit is 0 to infinity, but this function is not defined in 0 to infinity directly. It is defined for 0 to b only, and after b to infinity it is a 0. That's why I have converted this interval in 0 to b to infinity. Now 0 to b ft, and after b to infinity different definitions are there. Therefore 0 to b, this in this interval what is f of t? What is f of t? F of t is what? A in this interval t to a. कहाँ तक? b तक, 0 to b तक a dt. And here b to infinity, what is f of t? 0. b to infinity में 0 है, तो e raised to minus st into 0. Okay, this the integration is 0. Very simple. That means write down, note down this. That means 0 से लेके b तक, 0 से लेके b तक a है definition, a. I have written definition. And after that b से लेके infinity 0 है, b से लेके means interval कैसे divide किए? How interval I have this divided 0 to b to infinity, 0 से लेके b तक a value लिखी, e raised to minus st into f of t is a, that is a constant of course, and after that it is a 0. That's why it is very simple sum. It is very simple sum with the help of definition, that is a 0 to b only, e raised to minus st into b dt. Second part, after b it is a 0, b to infinity. Though definition is 0 to infinity, but this was problem like the 0 to b, some definition, b to infinity, some definition. Here definition was 0, here is a, f of t is a, not, okay. Now a is a constant taken outside the integration side. Again I am telling you that you must know integration, that is e raised to minus st. Now e raised to x means e raised to x integration, e raised to x upon a, coefficient of a. Here e raised to minus st upon coefficient of t, t means minus s, 0 to infinity. Okay, now a upon minus s, take outside, limit e raised to minus st, limits from 0 to infinity, a upon minus s. Now if t is infinity, e raised to minus infinity, minus, when t is 0, e raised to what? 0. Now a upon minus s, e raised to minus infinity means 1 upon e raised to infinity. I had told in last two videos, that is e raised to minus infinity means 1 upon e raised to infinity, that is 1 upon infinity means it is approaching towards 0, means this value is approaching 0. A raised to 0 always 1, that is a minus 1, minus plus 1, that is a okay, e raised to minus st is there, a upon minus a upon s, okay, minus a upon s. Now a was there, and here is the function e raised to minus st, a into this, okay. Sorry, this function was actually not infinity, 0 to what? 0 to b was there, 0 to b was there, okay. Here is a 0 to b, sorry. Again, I am repeating, this was not infinity, this was what? B was there. Now minus s, here is b, not infinity, okay. So if here is not infinity, b is there, means what? Instead of t, substitute b, and here is 0. That means e raised to what? E raised to minus sp minus 1, okay. And that means 1 up e raised to minus sb means 1 upon e raised to sb minus 1. If you want to take this minus sign inside, this will plus and this will be minus, okay. Actually here is a b, I had taken here infinity, okay, sorry. Here is a b only, means substitute t as a b, e raised to minus s into b minus e raised to 0, that is a 1 upon e raised to sb minus e raised to 0 means 1, minus sign take inside, that will plus and this will be minus, okay. Here was actually 0 to b and b to infinity, 0 to b it was a and b to infinity it was 0, okay. That's why e raised to minus this was limit 0 to b and second integration was 0, okay. मीन्स यहाँ पे मैंने infinity लिखा था, actually this limit is what? b means here is a b, not infinity. If infinity were there, there, it will become 0 minus 1, but here is not infinity, it is a b, that means substitute t as a b, okay. Is it clear? Okay. By mistake I had written here infinity, it is not infinity, it is a b, okay. That is the answer. Now there are many theorems. One shifting theorem. One theorem is important, that is a shifting theorem, that I will take in next video. Okay. Now with the help of this definition, this formulae and definition, we can solve some simple problems. Also there are some rules. I will take one by one, and it is a very simple topic. Just you keep in mind these 6 formulas, then now one by one theorem, and from that you can find Laplace transformation of any function. Now first shift theorem, what is the first shift theorem? I am going to explain in next video. Okay, bye.